If you are running a cleaning company or you're managing paid ads for a cleaning company, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share how you should run PPC Google ads for a cleaning company in 2026. I'll go through these topics one by one. So, the first one is budget, how much budget you should start with. So, I would recommend starting with at least $1,500 if you are in US or $1,000 if you are anywhere else. If you have a budget that is lower than $1,500, you will get results, but they will be really slow. And next is campaign structure and types. If you're just starting out and your ad account is new, you should only create a search campaign and nothing else. And next is keywords. The keywords that you're going to choose, uh, they are going to be highly relevant keywords like cleaning company near me, house deep clean near me, and you're going to use phrase match keywords. And you're going to add negative keywords like DIY, cheap, etc. Next is ad copy. You can use ChatGPT to generate 15 to 20 different headlines and descriptions. You can share some of the ads that your competitors are running to ChatGPT, and it will give you really good headlines and descriptions. Next is assets. You should always have image assets inside your campaign. I just started this campaign for a cleaning company a couple of days ago. They have three leads in the last 7 days, $244 spent. And what I mean by assets is if you go here, you can see that we are using different images inside the campaigns, and we have linked our Google business profile inside the campaign so that our ad also shows up in the local map pack. And next is location targeting. Make sure that you're targeting at least 20 miles or more. If your target area is less than that, you will see a higher CPC and you might not get a lot of leads. The most common mistakes that I see, let me just show you from the ad account. Some of these companies that I audit, they are targeting outside of their target location, and that is because they have this one little setting applied. Like in this particular campaign, we are targeting this city of Florida, and we have selected the presence targeting. But a lot of these companies have presence or interest targeting, which enables Google to show the ad to people outside of the target location. This is the most common mistake that I've seen. And the next one is cleaning up the search terms. People start using broad match keywords, and they don't add proper negative keywords. And some of these clicks that you're getting, they cost a lot. Like for this particular account, if you see the average CPC, it is $10. So if you get 3 to 4 irrelevant clicks per day, that is $50 in wasted ad budget. So make sure that you have a really strong and comprehensive negative keywords list. Next is tracking. This is also one of the mistakes that I see. People do not track their form submissions. They are sometimes using an external booking platform to book the jobs, and that is a big mistake. If you're not feeding out your conversions back to Google, you will not perform well. And last but not the least is the landing page. Make sure that you're not sending these people to your website homepage. Create a dedicated landing page with one offer, clear call to actions, and clear headlines. And if you apply all of these settings, as I mentioned above, you will get a good cost per lead. And if you want my exact prompts and the exact keywords and mesh types and headlines and ad copies that I've used for some of these cleaning companies, just drop a comment and I'll share the resources with you. Thank you.